name is John, and I work on the athletic fields here at Little Bennett Region.
And I'm Jeff. I do that too. But one thing we want you to know is that we do take pride in our work. There's a lot to do out here, so we do what we can to keep it nice for you.
My name is Adolfo Cruz. I'm a general maintenance worker at Montgomery Parks. I keep the parks in a great condition for you.
My name is Linda. I'm a park maintenance worker. I like working for the parks and making everything look nice and accessible and safe for the public.